Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Neha's Talent Hub. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Today I am going to share with you all my first ever traveling vlog. Few days prior to lockdown, I had a wonderful traveling experience to some of the offbeat places of Darjeeling. So without any further delay, let's get started. We started our journey from Siliguri, which is about 72 km from our first destination, Tinchule. Through the mesmerizing and breathtaking view of nature, we finally reached our destination. It took 2.5 hours to reach Tinchule. Tinchule is a small mountain village or an hamlet in Darjeeling district and is located at an altitude of 5,800 feet and just 3 kilometers above Tagda. The word Tinchule means 3 ovens or Teen Chulas. Such name to the village has been given because of the 3 prominent hilltops that surrounds the place and which looks like ovens. It is a calm and quiet village offering the lovely view of the Himalayan range, the meandering Tista flow through the mountain landscapes and mesmerizing tea gardens. And this is the view from the Tinchule viewpoint. Mesmerizing, isn't it? Due to the COVID situation, we all had a quick homemade lunch and headed towards our next destination, Lamahata. Lamahata is 6 kilometers away from Tinchule. Lamahata is a small mountain village that is an upcoming ecotourism destination located at an altitude of 1700 meter above sea level and around 23 kilometers from Darjeeling. Lamahata is a very well connected to Darjeeling Kalimpong State Highway. Lamahata Eco Park is one of Lamahata's major attractions. It is surrounded by pine forests containing numerous seasonal flowers, as well as several rare and exotic species of orchids. Browsing through the beautiful arrays of flowers on display, visitors can also relax on the numerous benches while enjoying the view of Mount Kanchenjunga. A trekking route has also been built that will lead tourists through the pine tree maze to two beautiful ponds. Seats at Vantage Point have also been placed with a watchtower overlooking the surroundings. It was really a splendid experience of silence and beauty of nature combined in Lamahata. Lamahata is really an ideal place for a peaceful vacation. We headed towards our final destination, Tista Triveni. Tista Triveni is about 30 minutes from Lamahata. As we reached there in the evening time, so I couldn't capture videos due to low visibility. Triveni is a confluence between the river Tista and Rangit. It is the midpoint where Tista and Rangit meet. The view of the river Rangit meeting Tista is an awesome trip for nature lovers. And with this, we came to the end of our one-day tour. Hope you all enjoyed my travel vlog. If you really enjoyed my vlog and want to watch more such creative videos, then please appreciate me with your like and comments, and do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.